Welcome back to my channel. So I was trying to figure out how I was gonna do this, but you can't really tell right now, but I'm trying to do a Freddy Krueger makeup look. So far I just have latex and tissue everywhere. Jesus. Okay, so first you're gonna take your latex and let's see, we're gonna do this little spot right here. So you take your tissue and you break the tissue in half, roll it up like this, and you put it to the shape that you want it. And then if you want like a little extra detail, you can do like little pieces to put on the inside of it. Then you just keep on doing little ones, bigger ones, and then like aligned ones. Like we'll do this one real quick. And as you're placing them on, you can add like extra latex so it doesn't move a lot. Also, don't put this shit near your eye because I got some in my eye earlier and that shit hurted. I'm gonna just put a couple around my nose. We're not gonna we'll do a lot on the nose. So, so I'm gonna put a little bit more latex on so it can look like this side. And I'll let it dry for a little bit and then I'll be back. So all I did right now was put foundation on. Kind of messed up my brush because some of it wasn't done drying and I waited like freaking 10 minutes, but oh well. Okay, now we're gonna go into our face paints. And we're going to be going into the red. And we might mix it up a little bit with the brown. So we're going to take the red in the creases. bright red right now, but when we mix the brown with it, it'll settle down. I just know this is gonna hurt when I take it off, because the last time it did, and I don't think I put it in the video, but if I didn't, I'll put it right here. The last time I put latex on my face. It's gonna be fun taking this off. I'm gonna wash the rest off. Should color on my eyes red too, but then at the same time I don't know, or at least I'll put like red eyeshadow all over it or something. I don't know. Sorry if it seems like I'm rushing. I kind of am. I gotta go. I mean, I already have it edited, but I have to post the next video, and I'm gonna make a thumbnail for that. I'm gonna have to try and go to sleep early because your girl works in the morning. So it kind of did good with the brown. It did better. I'll put a little bit of stage blood just to give it, or we'll do that after we do the eyes. And I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics and the Daisy collaboration, and I'm gonna just grab a big brush and get into Karma. I'm gonna take a little bit of Bittersweet. We're gonna go with a Morphe M124. We're gonna go into Matter. So we'll do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back with lashes too. So I'll be back. So I threw on some lashes. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of stage blood, and then we'll do the lips. So we kind of got that everywhere now. I wonder if we should take Weirdo. Well, we'll be taking Weirdo. Ooh, I'll be back. I'm gonna get my hair down. I think I'll still leave it in the ponytail, but I'll get it down from the bun, and I'm gonna put some earrings on real quick. Trust me. So I got these earrings off of Wish. It came with like 5 pieces, so there's 3 other, well, there's some other ones that you can choose from to put together. So this is the end of the look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. But yeah, don't forget that I love you guys. Stay spooky, and see you in the next video.
Guess I'm doing alright. I can't believe this is my life. I can't believe 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, gonna stay up late.